Galileo was the first person to study the properties of pendulums in 1602. It said he got interested in them looking at a swinging chandelier in the Pisa Cathedral. Sounds to me like spacing out in church. Not like pendulums were a completely new thing though. This is a replica of a pendulum-powered seismometer from Chinese scientist Zhang Heng during the Han Dynasty in the 1st century. If the pendulum inside swings enough to hit an internal lever, the dragon will drop a little ball into a toad's mouth, signifying the direction of an earthquake. So anyway, bored in church, Galileo noticed that it takes about the same amount of time for the chandelier to make a big swing as opposed to a small swing. And he told his son eventually how to make a pendulum clock, but they both died before either could. So Christian Huygens took it on and made the first pendulum clock in 1656. And the pendulum clock was the most accurate type of clock for like 275 years until the 1930s. This short synchrotron clock was the US time standard in the 1930s. If you ever wondered how pendulum clocks work, here's an animation of what's called an escapement mechanism. The pendulum swings and the mechanism gives it a little change in momentum to keep it swinging. And it only lets the gears move a specific amount each swing. And it gives pendulum clocks that ticking sound.